Hello, my name is Corey Herbert. I'm the CFO here at the Danville Community School Corporation. Thank you for joining us in our fourth video in the DCSC School Finance Series. Have you ever wondered how we pay our utility bills? Or maybe where the funds come from for our maintenance? Or even how we pay our custodial staff or our SROs? All of these things are paid through the Operations Fund. The Operations Fund supports everything needed to keep our schools running outside of direct classroom instruction. It covers custodians and cleaning services, our police department, utility costs, transportation, maintenance needs, and our district office staff and insurance. Although our district has a budget that falls just under $9 million, 65% is used for staff pay and benefits, 13% is used for utilities, 5.5% is used for insurance, and 17% is used for miscellaneous operational expenses. The Operations Fund is funded mainly through local property taxes, but it's a separate portion from what goes to the Debt Service Fund, which we covered in video 3. The state provides a formula that determines how much local tax can be collected for operations, and the district must manage that amount carefully. Although this was just a brief look at our Operations Fund, I hope this helps you understand a little bit more how we use those dollars. Join us next time as we look at the tax bill in our finance series.